Marketing today is about speed, clarity, and consistency. Customers expect quick responses, personalized experiences, and seamless interactions with the brands they follow. At the same time, business owners are juggling 100 different responsibilities. That is where marketing automation tools step in, not just as fancy software, but as reliable assistants that save time, cut costs, and make your business look bigger and more professional than it really is. In 2025, automation is not optional. It is the difference between chasing leads all day and having leads flow to you while you focus on growth. Let us walk through this properly in the form of an engaging script, breaking down how marketing automation tools actually save both time and money, and why you need to think about them as core parts of your business engine. Setting the scene. Imagine running your business without automation. Every time someone signs up for your newsletter, you manually add their name to a spreadsheet. Every time a customer buys something, you send them a thank you message by hand. Every week, you sit down to schedule social media posts one by one, copy and paste content across different platforms, and then struggle to track what actually worked. It feels exhausting, doesn't it? Now imagine the same scenario where every single one of those tasks is done automatically. The customer signs up and instantly receives a personalized welcome email. Their purchase triggers a thank you message plus a coupon for the next order, and your social media posts go live across multiple platforms on schedule. That is the magic of automation. Email automation, your always on communicator. Email marketing is one of the oldest but most powerful marketing channels. Automation tools turn it into an always-on system that builds relationships while you sleep. Instead of sending one big newsletter and hoping people read it, automation lets you create flows, a welcome sequence for new subscribers, a follow-up series for customers who browse but don't buy, a thank you note followed by upsell offers for repeat customers. The beauty here is that each message is triggered by an action the customer takes, making it feel personal even though it is automatic. For example, someone looks at a product twice but doesn't add it to their cart. They get a friendly reminder. Someone buys a product. They get tips on how to use it and suggestions for related items. This saves time because you don't have to manually send emails every day, and it saves money because you no longer waste campaigns on uninterested people. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) automation. Every business has leads, but not every business treats leads properly. Without a system, names and contacts get lost. A good CRM tool with automation changes that. When a lead fills out a form, they automatically get added to your pipeline, tagged with the source they came from, and assigned to the right person for follow-up. If you've ever lost track of a hot lead because you forgot to follow up, you know how costly that can be. Automation prevents those gaps. CRMs also score leads automatically, so you know who is most likely to buy. That saves you from wasting time chasing lukewarm prospects and helps you close deals faster. Social media scheduling and repurposing. Social media eats up time. Posting consistently on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter can take hours every week. Scheduling tools cut that time dramatically. You can load a week's worth of posts into a tool, set the dates and times, and let it do the work. Beyond scheduling, many tools now suggest the best times to post based on your audience activity. Others even repurpose content for different platforms automatically, turning one video into multiple clips, captions, or even blog snippets. This not only saves hours of manual effort, but also saves money by stretching one piece of content into many forms without hiring extra staff. Chatbots and customer support automation. Customers want instant answers. Hiring a 24/7 support team is expensive. Chatbots are the budget-friendly solution. Modern chatbot tools answer common questions, guide customers to the right product, and even process basic orders. For example, a visitor asks about shipping policies. The chatbot replies instantly. Another visitor is looking for the right size. The chatbot helps them choose. Only complex issues get routed to a human. This reduces the workload for your team, meaning fewer hours spent answering repetitive questions. In turn, you save money by reducing the need for additional staff while also boosting customer satisfaction because no one is left waiting. Sales funnel automation. A sales funnel is the path from a stranger discovering your brand to becoming a loyal customer. Automation tools make this process smoother by connecting each stage. Someone clicks on your ad, lands on a page, fills out their email, and immediately enters a sequence that warms them up with content. A week later, they get a special offer. If they don't buy, the system sends a reminder. If they do buy, they move into a customer retention sequence. This orchestration would take hours if done manually, but with automation, the entire funnel runs in the background. The time savings are obvious, and the financial savings come from not losing potential customers to forgetfulness or slow responses. Ad management automation. Advertising can be a money drain if not managed carefully. Automation tools now help by adjusting budgets, pausing underperforming ads, and scaling winners in real time. Instead of paying someone to babysit your campaigns every hour, you set rules. For example, if an ad's cost per click goes above a certain number, it pauses automatically. If another ad generates conversions below a set cost, the budget increases. This keeps ad spend efficient, reducing wasted money while ensuring better returns. Analytics and reporting. Tracking results is crucial, but creating reports manually is time-consuming. Automation tools pull data from all your platforms, email, social media, website ads, and create dashboards that update automatically. Instead of spending hours each week compiling numbers, you get instant clarity. Automated alerts can also tell you if something unusual happens, like a sudden drop in open rates or a spike in traffic. This means you respond faster and avoid wasting time or money on ineffective strategies. Personalization at scale. Customers love personalized experiences, but personalizing manually is impossible beyond a small group. Automation tools solve this by using data to segment your audience. Someone who bought product A gets recommended product B. Someone who read 3 blog posts on a topic gets invited to a webinar. The system automatically matches the right message to the right person. Personalization boosts conversions, which means you earn more revenue from the same marketing spend. That is a double win: more income without spending more. Integrations that eliminate busywork. Many businesses use multiple tools: email, CRM, e-commerce, and ads. Without automation, you'd be copying data between them all day. Integration tools connect your systems so they talk to each other. A new sale in your online store automatically updates your CRM. A new lead in your CRM automatically gets added to your email platform. No one wastes time on repetitive data entry, and no mistakes slip through. Eliminating busywork means fewer employees needed for basic tasks, which directly saves money. Reducing human error. Every manual step in marketing creates room for error. Wrong email sent, leads forgotten, social post missed. Mistakes not only waste time but can also cost money by damaging customer trust. Automation reduces those risks. Once workflows are set up, they run the same way every time. The consistency ensures your brand looks reliable, your messages reach the right people, and you don't lose sales because of forgotten tasks. Case for small teams and solo entrepreneurs. For solo entrepreneurs or small teams, automation is a lifesaver. Without it, you'd need to hire assistants, marketers, or customer service reps to handle repetitive tasks. With automation, you can run a business that looks like a team of 10 with just 1 or 2 people. That is how you save money directly. Automation replaces hours of labor. It also saves mental energy, freeing you to focus on strategy, creativity, and growth rather than repetitive chores. Long-term cost efficiency. Some people hesitate to invest in automation tools because of subscription fees. But think about the math. Paying $50 to $100 a month for a tool that saves you 20 hours is cheaper than paying someone hundreds or thousands of dollars for the same work. The cost efficiency is huge, and as your business grows, the same system continues to scale without demanding more staff. That is why automation is not an expense. It is an investment that pays back many times over. Mistakes to avoid with automation. Of course, automation is powerful, but there are mistakes that waste both time and money if you are not careful. Automating too early. Do not build complicated workflows before you know what works manually. Test your strategy first, then automate. Spamming customers. Automation should enhance relationships, not flood inboxes. Respect timing and relevance. Neglecting personalization. A generic automated email feels robotic. Relying only on tools. Automation supports your business, but you still need strong offer, good products, and real customer care. Future of marketing automation in 2025. The future is smarter, not just faster. Tools are now using artificial intelligence to predict behavior, recommend actions, and optimize campaigns on their own. Instead of just automating tasks, they are becoming strategic partners, suggesting the best times to launch campaigns, analyzing which messages resonate most, and even drafting content. For businesses, this means even more time saved and better returns on investment. Those who adopt these tools now will stay ahead, while those who resist will continue to drown in manual work. If you are serious about growth in 2025, automation is not optional. It is the backbone of efficiency and profitability. Thank you for spending time with me on this deep dive into marketing automation tools that save time and money. If you enjoyed this script and want more practical guides to help your business grow smarter, make sure to subscribe to our channel Success Lens, where we turn complex business strategies into simple steps you can apply today.